Let's make a jet-powered boat using a bottle. Here is the apparatus to do the experiment. Let's start with a bottle. Take a plastic bottle, take out its lid, separate it from bottle, and now make a hole in the lid of bottle. A tiny hole is being done. Now we take a straw and we will cut it with the help of a scissor. We need its small size. We will cut it with scissor in the middle. Now the straw is cut and now we will adjust this straw into the lid. The straw has been adjusted into the tiny hole of the lid of bottle. Now we will bind it with after binding we will take a vinegar in a china dish. We have vinegar and we will put a red color. A red color is put into the vinegar solution. Now the next step is thoroughly mix it. We mix the vinegar solution with red color. Now we will take a funnel and put it above the plastic bottle. We will pour the vinegar solution over the funnel into the bottle. We will take a small tub and we will add water into this tub. So water is being added into the tub. When it's full, we will stop putting further. Now we will take a baking soda and put into the vinegar solution. The reaction will take place between vinegar and baking soda, which is the main chemistry of our experiment. Now we will put a lead straw onto the bottle and close it. Now we will put it into the tub of water. Here you will see the bottle is moving over the vinegar solution with a speed and it has become a powered boat model. On mixing baking soda and vinegar, it releases carbon dioxide. The locked up carbon dioxide has a much larger volume than the vinegar and baking soda, so it bubbles up and it pushes towards building up the pressure through the straw nozzle. So it's all due to the pressure of carbon dioxide. The moving of bottle is due to the reaction between vinegar and baking soda that produces carbon dioxide which pushes the bottle to move on the water.